Hi all, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm coming at you with another vintage handbag review overview. I love to do this kind of videos for you in case you are browsing on the pre-loved market, you see a bag that you like, but you want to see a video of it as well besides the photos. I am planning to do many more of these kind of videos, so if that is your thing, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much. So today we will be talking about the Louis Vuitton Vavin or Vavin in the GM size. This is a beautiful everyday bag, as you can see. They also have this in the PM size, and I believe that there's even a newer version. I'm not sure if it's still available at Louis Vuitton or it's already out of collection, but that one was also called a Vavin, but that model looked totally different. I am not sure why they recycled the name, but here we are. This is the vintage Vavin in the GM size. A quick interruption. I just have to tell you about these fabulous new bag straps from Zari Collections that I've been absolutely loving. There are some new colors, both with gold and silver hardware, but also some of the best-selling products are finally back in stock. So if you enjoy switching up your style as much as I do, then these straps are an absolute game changer. They instantly breathe new life into your favorite handbags, whether it's a classic piece or a vintage gem. It is so fun and easy to express your unique style like this without spending a fortune. So make sure to check it out, zaricollections.com, and let's get back to the video. First of all, I have dressed this up with a camellia charm from Zari Collections, of course. Let's have an overall look of the bag. So it is quite small, but it is a beautiful tote style. Yeah, I would say tote style bag, over the shoulder, two wider straps, fascetta leather. It has these attachments, so that is always nice to put a cute little charm on there. It has a hard base, no feet. First of all, you know I love these vintage bags. I always feel like, I've said this so many times already, but I always feel like the canvas is much sturdier. So this particular bag is from the year 2000, and as you can see, it is in beautiful condition. Of course, this has been scooped up from eBay, and as usual, I will link some of my favorite eBay sellers for you in the description box down below. So make sure to check those out in case you are interested in scooping up a vintage designer bag for a good deal. This kind of looks like the Luco tote, the looping tote, kind of, it gives me the same type of a vibe, but this is a tiny bit smaller, I would say. I'll show you later what fits in here, and all the measurements and all the other details you can also find in the description box down below. What is so nice about this bag, which I haven't seen in any other bags, is that it already has, I stuffed it now a bit, but it already has some kind of organizer in there, as you can see. So you cannot remove it, it's sewn into the bag, but it is great because this way you can organize your things properly. It has one zipped pocket there. It has a leather piece with a snap button, so you can snap the back, you know, snap this and create a little side pocket there as well to secure something in there. Then here you have a D-ring, which also shows the date code at the back. The leather handles are a bit on the shorter side, I would say, just like the Houston bag, which is also a shoulder bag. I showed you that as well in one of my videos, and that also has like these shorter leather handles. So on me, I can wear this over the shoulder like this, but as you can see, it sits a little snug under my arm. And as I told you before, I am on the taller side. I am 6 feet. I am 183 centimeters tall. So perhaps if you are smaller than me, shorter, or maybe, I don't know, slimmer, whatever, maybe this won't sit as snug under your arm as it does on me. But then again, it is okay. It's just the way the model of the bag is. I was holding on to this because I just want to show you. Side note, it's beautiful, handmade. I am so excited, you all. I have these scarves are handmade in Africa. Okay, I have sourced these when I was in Lagos. I have sourced these materials myself. I've not sewn them myself, but an artisan made these scarves, and I am so in love with these scarves. So if you are interested in some beautiful handmade bag accessories, make sure to check out azaricollections.com, because there is no need to pick up a new handbag every month or every other month or every 2 months. You can completely change the look of your handbag just with dressing it up with accessories. So don't sleep on handbag accessories. Let's see what fits in this bag. So first of all, we have a water bottle. We have to stay hydrated, girls. We have to stay hydrated. And this side is the perfect, isn't that perfect? This pocket, this side pocket, so to say, side compartment is deeper than this one. It goes up to halfway, I would say, and this one goes, this compartment goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. That fits perfectly. We have an iPad, a MacBook Air, so that is 13-inch, I believe. That's what that looks like. I'm showing you how it looks like without the case, because my case is a little bit bulky, but that's how it fits in there. So it fits in there, just about fits in there, right? It doesn't stick out, but it's also not very deep in the bag. Let's see how it looks on the side, perhaps. So if you put it in the side, it sits a bit more snug there. Can't pull it off, you just have to be mindful, but you can wear the bag like that. You see, it doesn't stick out. A notebook, for example, a little bucket pochette, our sunglasses, and voila, there you go. Still some room for some other small essentials, but it is the perfect, I would say, this could be your perfect everyday bag. I love how this bag is structured in a way. It doesn't give that bulky, slouchy look. You know, I am a big fan of more structured looking bags. Now let me show you some mod shots. Now I hope this short overview video was helpful to you. In case it was, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I see you next time.